Gnarly polka. So today we're going to look at another lovely polka. It's called Maggie in the Woods, and Maggie in the Woods is about a lady named Maggie, and she got lost in the woods, but thankfully she was found again by close friends. So I'm going to play the tune just to give you a feel for it, and then we'll break it down into the bars and go through it bar by bar. So. Okay, so it's a nice, easy tune, and it'll help us get used to the way the concertina works, and again, where the buttons are before we move on to more difficult tunes. Okay, so we're going to look at the first part now, and the first bar of the first part is. Okay, so we have a G, a D, back to G, and an A. So let's try that together. Okay, and then the second bar of the first part is. So we have a B, a high E, and then a long high E. Okay, let's try that together. Okay, so let's try bar 1 and 2 together of the first part. So starting on G. Okay, very good. Then third bar sounds like. Let's try that. And again together. And then the fourth bar of the first line of the first part of Maggie in the Woods is. So we have B, A, and then a long A. So let's try that together. Okay, so let's try the first 4 bars of the first part of Maggie in the Woods together. So our first note is G. Okay, let's move on now to the second line. So again, first bar of the second line of Maggie in the Woods is. So again, very same as the first bar of the tune. So you have G, a D, G, and A. And then the second bar of the second line is. So again, same as the first line. B, high E and then a long high E. So let's try bar 1 and 2 of the second line together, starting on G. Super. So then the third bar of the second line is so we have a high D, a B, an A, and then B, A. So I'll just play it for you again. Okay, and once more. Okay, so the second B, A, they're a little bit quicker than the rest of the notes. So let's try that together. And once more together. Super. So then the last bar of the first part is so just 2 long G's. Okay, so let's try that together. Okay, let's try the whole second line of the first part of Maggie in the Woods together. So first note is G. Once more. Okay, so that's the whole first part of Maggie in the Woods now learnt. So let's play that all together, the first line and the second line. Okay, brilliant. So that's the first part of Maggie in the Woods now learnt. So if you could practice that before the next lesson, and we'll move on to the second part. So best of luck, see you then.